My first new technology that I found is called Seesaw. So if you go to Google and you type in Seesaw, then you will click on that option right there, and it is free. Seesaw is a student-driven digital portfolio that allows students to document what they are learning at school. It's kind of similar to Facebook, and students like to leave the comments and they receive feedback from their peers. So it's just a great way for students to publish their work and hear feedback from others. It is intended for the upper grades. I know 4th grade at our school uses it, and they really enjoy it. I teach kindergarten, and I can't really say that it's a program that would be used as much in the kindergarten level, just because there's a lot of steps to it, and it involves commenting, and not a lot of kindergartners can write and be able to comment on people's pictures. So with Seesaw, students can interact, collaborate, and publish with peers, and they can use the Seesaw as a digital tool to do that. Teachers can also encourage students to reflect with using this tool, and to make sure that the students are understanding, thinking, planning, and being creative with their process. So let me explain how this works. You can sign up for free. You click on sign up for free, and I'm a teacher. You fill in this information, create an account, and I have already done that, so I'm going to sign in. When you sign in, you can add a class, and I have already added one class, so I'm going to go ahead and do a new class for everybody to see. So let's name our class 4th grade 2016, 2017, and we're going to click on 4th. Click on the check mark, and you can use a QR code with the students, and that gets them linked into your new class. So then you can add students, and you can add student one at a time, or you can paste a list of students. So let's type in some names here. And so forth. Click OK. And I can always add students later on. So here's my new class, and you can watch this short little video on how to organize your Seesaw, but I'll go ahead and just do that for you. So when a student is ready to add a project, or if you're the teacher who's in charge, you're going to click on this little plus sign here, and you can click on photo, and that allowed a student to maybe take a picture of themselves, a video, a drawing, a link, a note, or an uploaded file. And I went ahead and uploaded a file, so we're going to click on choose file, and I'm going to click on this project right here. So you can edit your items, you can rotate it, which obviously I need to do. You can add audio to it, so the student can come up and explain what their project is about. You could add a drawing to it, if you maybe want to do an arrow or circle, something so that students can see it a little bit more clear of what you're trying to show. You can label it by putting my letter to Santa. And I can change the color if I want to, and the style and the font. And I can also add a caption. So I'm going to put a little check mark there, and I want to tag everybody so everybody can see it. And I'll click OK. And the item was uploaded, so everybody is able to see it. And everybody can come down and add a little comment. And post it. Now, when a student comments, my phone or my I get an email notification that a student has commented, and I have to okay it before it's actually posted. Anybody can like without my approval. It's just that the comment has to be approved. So that just makes sure that it is related to the topic and it's appropriate. So students can go in and they can view the feed. Obviously, when new things are added on, it'll come down through this. So it's kind of like a Facebook page where students can see what other students are posting and comment on it. Other options over here, that you can set up a calendar on when items are posted, and you can also do a class blog, which again is probably for the higher elementary, middle school, high school as well. So this is called Seesaw, and I think it would be a great way for students to organize their learning and to kind of work on reflection too, where you can reflect on other student work, and then when a student reflects on yours, you can see how that maybe some changes that you might need to make to your project or how to make it better. And a couple other things over here. You can invite parents so that anytime their child posts a picture or gets a comment, parents are automatically sent that information, and only parents receive information from their child or about their child. They don't get everything. So say Avery, I invite her parents to join, and anytime Avery posts something, her parents get to see it. So it's just kind of another way to keep the parents informed and involved in their child's learning. So again, Seesaw, it's free. Check it out.